Hi, if you're looking for basic sewing tutorials, here are some tips and tricks on basic sewing techniques for beginners. 1. Invisible stitching technique. This is an invisible stitching technique. Start by inserting the thread from underneath for the first stitch. For the second stitch, insert the needle next to the first stitch, loop the thread around, then pull it through. For the third stitch, grab the loop from the second stitch, loop the thread, and pull it through. Repeat this process for each subsequent step. This technique is often used when making alterations to clothes, such as slimming down pants or other garments. It's a neat and practical method. For the final stitch, insert the thread into the loop and catch all the top loops. Pull it tight and all the thread will be hidden. Neat and beautiful. 2. Repairing a tear on a down jacket. Start by placing a patch inside the torn area. Then stitch outward from the inside, sewing from bottom to top. Insert the needle from underneath and pull it out from the top, making sure it goes through the inner patch. Use a thicker thread to cover the damaged area more effectively. Continue stitching forward in this way until the entire tear is tightly closed. For the final stitch, place it in the center. Use double thread for the final loop. Reverse the direction of the needle for the looping process, from bottom to top and top to bottom. Repeat this process, sewing from bottom to top and top to bottom. This method can also be used to repair bed sheets, sofas, or cushions. Neat, right? 4. Thread end. Too short? Here's how to replace the thread. Gently pull the short thread to make it a bit longer. Place the new thread on top of the needle. Hold the thread and the needle with your left thumb. Wrap both the long and short threads around the needle once. Slowly pull the short thread on the left and the thread will go through the needle. Easy, right? 4. Thread end. Too short? Here's how to replace the thread. Gently pull the short thread to make it a bit longer. Place the new thread on top of the needle. Hold the thread and needle with your left thumb. Wrap both the short and long threads around the needle once. Slowly pull the short thread on the left and the thread will slide into the needle. Easy, right?